All right, it is August 26th, Thursday, 1:07 Eastern Time in the market. Dow's minus 64, NASDAQ minus 34, S&P minus 11. Crypto's 46,977. Crude oil's 68.24. VIX is 1995. See, the VIX is still holding. Yeah, the VIX never went down below 15, so that tells me, yeah, volatility is gonna happen eventually here. We'll see. Let's take a look at some stocks here. Let's take a look at Ride. I've called this too. I'm making so many good calls. Subscribe to my channel. Mike Cayman Trade Alerts. I'm making big calls. I might even did this a few days ago. What did I say? Falling wedge. Here's the wedge right here. See, that's falling. It's wide to tight. And, right here was a nice green candle. Now, was it going to go down again? You have to wait for the next day. Next day, it did go green. Then we went out of it a little bit. See that? But look on the 4-hour. 4-hour to boot. See, we're out of that. Look at the line right here, sideways. And look at the weekly. And the weekly here is totally flat. Then bounced. Here, bounced. Now, this one up before, 3 bars, didn't continue. What's this one? Is this going to continue? I believe we'll get more than 1 bar. I think we can come up and reach 8 to 10. See everything, the trend's been down now, so I think we can get 8 to 10 on this, on Ride. So, big volume today. Was there news on this? Lordstown Motor stock jumps 20% after it names ex-Icon Enterprises head of CEO. So there you go. So good news. Yeah, I can see the retracement level. See from all the way up here, 2 down to 5. And then, 23.6 fibs levels at 11. 11. So it's way down here. I mean, way down here on here. So we're only at 650. This could easily jump to here. Yeah, I would look for 8 to 10 range, or around this range. So we'll see what happens in this. Very bullish move today. And what was that news? What time was the news? It was 12:20. No, wait a minute. What was the earliest news? I had 3:26 a.m. Wow, that was the street. And then a few at 7 a.m. So it was pretty early. They came out with news. All right, so look at it here. So this is the first big candle. That was at 7:05 a.m. Now I use E-Trade. I have TD, Ameritrade, and I have TC2000. But I usually don't try to trade at least till 7 a.m. So look at that big bar. It's the first big bar. You're out. Now on this, where's your stop going to be? Now, if you bring it down right here, that's too tight. That's 10 cents. Look how tight. Candles will go right through that. Use the 50-cent line, or quarter line, excuse me. Say you're right here, and look, today's open. This worked perfectly. That's that little dash. You go up. Now, I don't know if that's a fake out candle. Sometimes pre-market, I don't know if that's normal or it's a glitch. I'm not sure, but anyway, see this one up. Kept going. Just go by each quarter. And what do you see here? I mean, these are pressure selling candles. There's nothing here. There's nothing like going straight down. You see right here in the 5-minute, it's a shooting star candle. It's a reversal, and that's what it did. Once you recognize these patterns, you'll notice what they do over and over. 15-minute, you can see that. 10-minute. Yeah, the 1 minute and 2 minute I don't use. If you're a scalper, use the 1 and 2 minute. The lowest I go now is pretty much just 3-minute. Like most of the time, majority, probably 95% of the time. So the 3, 5, 10, sometimes even the 15 is a sweet spot. So there you go. Now it's pulling back, normal pullback. But as I said on the weekly, you have plenty of room here for this to move, at least more than 1 green candle. You can see right up here. They pushed it back pretty hard. So we'll see what happens if they continue this tomorrow, the next few days. So here it is right here. Your 13s above your 20 EMA. Look at that shooting star. So this is a great gain. So this is a 575, about 150, $1.50 gain, maybe a little bit more. So it's a great move on Ride. Now the stop on this You're at 646 right now. Yeah, you can put a stop 6 if you want it pretty tight, and 550. Just go down each. I would say 50 cents, maybe a quarter, whatever. However you like to do that. And there's your ultimate stop right here, which is going to be 477. So there we are on ride, looking very bullish. Let's check out SGOC. This is another one, the same pattern of this down. You have a nice triangle or falling wedge. Look how tight that is, and explodes up. Once these explode out, most of the time they're going to move. They're doing something good. This moved sideways and then continued. Now on the weekly, you have 2 green candles. You're at 1825 stochastics. Monthly, they're pretty flat. There's the daily. See the 4 hour. See the 4 hour how it came out. And look how the pullback, lower volume. When you have lower volume, that's just consolidation, and then it went back up. Now on the 5 minute today, this is a nice move. So you went down, 625, right there, 725. So we moved up, and again, look where you moved back to. The 1320 EMA. Now this one's slightly below. Don't get freaked out if this goes below. Like it's not the end of the pattern. You can get it at 10 minute. See this? See how it hugged the 2013 EMA? Right here, and then we go up. So, it's very bullish on that. Where's this going? Well, 23 fibs is right at 10, almost exactly at 10. I'm looking for 10. And let me see the weekly again. Weekly, weekly's just trying to cross over. So this could be a continued move. So that's at 10. Can we get to 12? I'm not sure how far they want to run this, but I would look for 10. Immediately 10, 11, 12 in that area. Let's see if we can get to that. And then your stop on this is going to be at 889. It depends how big your stop. This candle here, 7. Watch that 6 line, 2 to 7 and 6 line. And then this is this is stop. If it comes back reverses, 425, I would watch that with the GOC. Excuse me, so dry. And I didn't see news on this. The latest I saw was August 19th, so I didn't really see news on SGOC. All right, so RIDE is looking promising. So is SGOC. The birth turned up out of this falling wedge, which is very bullish. All right, so that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trade Alerts on YouTube. Smash the like button, leave comments, anything to help the algos. I can keep doing these videos. Instagram, Mike Cayman Alerts. StockTwits, Mike Cayman Alerts. TikTok, Mike Cayman Trades. And Twitter, Mike J Trades. All right, that's it. Peace.